listeners here and abroad. Your Chinese heartthrob from Can't Bought Me Love as Stephen. He's also currently one of the mainstays in the famous variety show Asap Natin To. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Asia's pop heartthrob, Darren!
The Trinidad make some noise! Hey! Let's go! Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. It's so big. Look out! Pop, pop, it's showtime! Showtime! Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know? Oh, they don't know? I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Wearing Cuban links, designer mix, Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to get the color red, the blues. Hey. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me, and they're waking up the night. Keep up. Boy, your man, fix your face, in my body, I'll be trying to keep up. Players only, come on, put your pinky finger to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. It's so big. Look out, hey! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. If you guys know these songs, please sing along with me. Here they are. Hey! Oh, her eyes make stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. It's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me to, I look okay. I say, sing, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change, 'cause you're amazing. What? Woo! And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while, 'cause you're amazing. Oh, yeah. Put your hands together, come on. Woo. Hey. This hit that ice cold Michelle pipe for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, stay nasty. Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got touch tones, Saint Laurent. Got a kiss myself, I'm so pretty, hey, too high. The police and the fireman, I'm too high. Tiger, honorary tiger, man, I'm too high. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too high. The break down, damn, how do you break it down? Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. 'Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we're in the spot. Don't believe me, just try. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. Whoa. Hey. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Oh, don't believe me, just watch. sinabi mo na akin lang ang puso't isip mo sa habang buhay man, pagkailanman. Pero ngayon, lahat ng meron sa akin ay tinapon na, binaliwala. Unti-unting bumibitaw, mga matay, malayo ang tanaw. Hanggang kailan, hanggang saan kita ipaglalaraw? Sabihin mo lang kung di na ako ang laman ng puso mo. Pagod na sa kaiisip, napapaisip kung ano ang tinatago mo. Bibitaw na, hindi na aasa sa wala, di na magpapadala sa mga matamis mong mga salita. Ako ay bibitaw na, ako ay bibitaw na, puso'y pinagod mo na, ako ay bibitaw na. Oh, oh. Hindi ba't sinabi mo sa'kin na ako lang ang iyong mahal? Dati-dati tayong magkayakap pero ba't ngayon ay nasasakal? Nagkulang ba ako? Binuhos sa'yo lahat ng pagmamahal ko. Hindi na aasa sa wala, di na magpapadala sa mga matamis mong mga salita. Ako ay bibitaw na, 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 na. Ako ay bibitaw na, 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 na. Puso'y pinagod mo na, 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 na. Ako ay bibitaw na. Let's go! Woo! Thank you po. Naimpag nga rabi, kada kayo amin, apo! Kamusta kayo amin? I love you too. Hello po sa mga Darenatics na nandito. At sa mga nandito from Benguet. Meron bang mga taga Baguio dito? Yan, ang dami din. So, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And nangan kayon. Madipay! O pagkatapos nito, makakain. Ba? Yes, I do. Ikaw ba si Ikaw ba si Caroline? Nanonood ba kayong Can't Buy Me Love? Napanood niyo yung mga scenes namin dito sa Benguet? Oo. La Sinfonia sa Atok yun. Pero of course, it's so beautiful here sa Benguet at na-enjoy namin yung shooting dito. And it's nice to be back here. Kasama po kayong lahat. At sana po ay nag-e-enjoy kayo sa aming show so far. So for my next song, I'd like to sing one of my favorite OPM love songs para po sa inyong lahat, okay? Here it is. Sumulat ng awitin para sa'yo, para akong isang siraulo, hilo at lito, sa aking panghina ng piano, teklado'y pilit nilaro. Pagkasakali merong tono, bigla na lang umuspo. Tungkol sa naman kayang awitin para sa'yo. Hindi biro ang gawing sukat ang titik sa tono. Sampu man aking diksyonaryo, kung may tugmay hindi wasto. Basta't isipin di magbabago damdamin ko sa'yo. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Biruin mong nasabi ko ang nais kong ipahati. Pwede nyo bang ilabas yung flashlights nyo? Mong mapatid laman itong dibdib. Tila sampung awitin ang natapos kong likhain. Wow! Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin at tingin. Araw kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Maraming salamat po. And now from some of my favorite OPM love songs, pumunta naman tayo sa mga classic love songs na nagpakilig sa ating lahat, nagpakilig sa mga nanay at tatay natin, mga lolo at lola natin. I'm sure makaka-relate din tayo mga kabataan tulad ko. Wow. Pero ito nga po. Here's some of the songs that I fell in love with personally as a kid growing up. And I'm sure na alam niyo rin po itong mga to. So, again, sabayin niyo po ako. Here they are. I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that time will change in a world where nothing stays the same? Yet here we are, and our love still remains. In your eyes, I can see my dreams reflection be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but I never felt that strong. Our dreams are young and we both know. Now take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now, 'cause I don't wanna live without you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Oh, one thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on out the door. Just once, can we figure out what we've been doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? And make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could make through it if we could just get to it just once. I want to understand why we always end up with goodbye. Why can't we give ourselves a hand and admit to one another we no good without each other? Make the best and make it better, and find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could get through it if we could just get to it just once. Ooh, we could get to it just once. Maraming salamat po. Okay pa po ba kayo? Alright. So of course, before anything else, again, maraming salamat po for having me here. Sana nag-enjoy pa po kayo so far. Okay naman po kayo? Yan! Dami pang energy. Siyempre, ang dami pa naming sorpresa para sa inyo. We have Rocksteady and Coach Bamboo later on, my fireworks display pa, tsaka mga raffles. But before that, I'd like to thank each and every one of you, mga Darenatics na nandito. Maraming salamat po. And of course, sana po i-supportan nyo pa rin ang Can't Buy Me Love. Malapit na po ang aming finale. So, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta kay Bingo, tsaka kay Ling, tsaka sa mga naiinis kay Stephen Tanueco. Isa na ako dun sa mga naiinis sa karakter ko. Pero Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta. And of course, asap natin to every Sunday at it's showtime naman po, Monday to Saturday. Mapapanood nyo na rin po kami sa GMA, so sana supportan nyo po ang shows na yan. And of course, meron po akong concert sa Araneta Coliseum on June 1. So kung gusto nyo pong bimahe sa Manila, magsa-celebrate po ako ng 10th anniversary ko sa industriya sa Araneta sa June 1. So please, buy your tickets now sa ticketnet.com.ph. And ayan, gusto niyo pa po ba ng isa pang kanta? Ayan. Sige. So this song is a classic 90s hit na ginawan ko po ng revival for MMFF 2017. And I'm sure you guys know this. Sing along with me and dance along with me. And again, La Trinidad Benguet, maraming salamat po for having me. Ayan. It's turning out just another day. I took a shower, then I went on my way. I stayed there as usual, had a coffee and pie. When I turned to leave, I couldn't believe my eyes. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. Without one touch, we stood there face to face. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. You said hello, and then you asked my name. I didn't know if I should go all the way. Inside I felt my life had really changed. I knew that it would never be the same. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. First I looked away when I whispered your name. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. Hey, naman po! And I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. One hello, it changed my life. I didn't believe in love at first sight, but you showed me what is life. Now I know my love, I know it's coming. I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. Hey. And I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dito naman. But I couldn't bring myself to touch you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you everyone. Agyaman na kapo. Thank you po.